And as you can see, my hair is really shitty. It's horrible. Oh my god, I was blonde, then I was extra blonde, then I had dark roots, black color, then I had to get rid of these black roots, then I had color correction. Oh my god. Hello there and welcome to my channel Vixie. So it's this time again I'm doing my roots, and if you are new to my channel, you don't know, but if you've watched my channel before, my videos, you know that I love to experiment with colors, and I'm a professional hairdresser, but as a professional hairdresser I don't want to get comfortable with just using one brand of colors. So every time I do my hair, what I do is I do use different brands and different colors, so eventually with the time I can get more experienced, and that would bring better quality in my work, and it's good for my clients. So in today's video I had to do my roots again. Oh, it's so hard, it's so much work, but it was time. And if you have watched my last video, I had a disaster few times. Well, I've done few videos. I had a disaster few times and it was really bad experience, but then I had really beautiful coming out videos with really good colors. The latest one I did was with Schwarzkopf, like greyish lilac color. I had a lot of compliments about it. Yeah, I know. And in the beginning I really hated this color, but today what I'm doing, I'm using a different color I have tried before, Kenra, and I was very happy with the color. So I have tried it before and now we're trying it again. And as you can see, my hair is really shitty, and I'm doing my roots now. There you go. I'm waiting for them to get bleached and I'm almost there. I'm almost ready, and I really can't wait to try this new color. I haven't used this color. I have used similar. So the color number is 8VM. By Kenra. It's a Demi-Permanent color and it should be close to my color because it's violet metallic, and on purpose I did buy level 8 because my hair will get really blonde and I want to tone it down so it can match, hopefully, we'll see, so it can match with the rest of my color. And let's see if I'm going to have to redo my hair again, like what happened last time with WELLA and SCHWARZKOPF. The lucky bit is that I have another day off tomorrow, so if it does not work, then expect another video with my color correction again. So I'm gonna go and jump into the shower, and when I come back we'll start coloring my hair and we will see the final result. So give it a thumbs up and please watch my video, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, and I'll see you soon again. So I'm back from the shower and that's how my hair looks like. It's horrible. It looks like a yellow duck color. Look at that. Anyway, so I'm gonna start with the experiment, and I've mixed my color, and this is my color I have mixed, and the way I have mixed it is 1 to 2. So I put 30 mils I have put from the 8VM color, then I put 60 mils of the peroxide, which is 9 volume Kenra color, and then I have added 4 drops of color secret. So the mixing ratio is 1 to 2 color to developer, and then on every 30 mils I put 1 drop for color, the color secret, and that will protect my hair, hopefully. But for now my hair is really strong, it's really good, in good condition, and later on I'm gonna give it a haircut, so I might do a video, we'll see. I guess you're gonna have to come back to my channel and just check if I have done another video for haircuts by myself. Anyway, I'm excited. Now the main thing for me is, and I almost forgot, is to put my gloves. Very important, because we don't want to mess up our clothes. I'm not drying my hair. I did that last time, that mistake, and it was so hard to put it on my hair. So this time I'm not doing it. It's a toner. It's not, I don't want to do it as a permanent color. So anyway, I'm using, that's a new thing I bought from Kenra. It is the Porosity Equalizer spray. So what this spray will do is, if somewhere my hair is more damaged, and in some places it's better, the color will penetrate the same level like with the one which is damaged, because if your hair is more damaged, color gets more in and it's stronger, and then on the places where your hair it's not that damaged, the color gets, because the cuticles are more close, so the color actually doesn't penetrate that deep. So what we want to do with the porosity spray is to level it up, to level the porosity, so that will help me my color to get even. And that's the first time I'm using this brand, so let's see how that will go. So I need my brush, and I'm gonna start applying from here my color. I'll do it on the roots because my ends are done, so just start applying it like that. And because my hair is wet, it's so much easier to actually apply it. Look at that, it's really easy. And because the developer, it's liquidy, so it gets into the, it goes really smooth. Look at that. Yeah, very nice. So I'm gonna spray this porosity spray again, because I sprayed it on the top, so just do the line. So I just applied my color, and this is how it looks at the moment. It's been 10 minutes, and what I did is applied the roots, and then whatever was left I just applied to mid-length, so because I had some yellowish bits left over from the color correction I did. And if you go through the whole year, the colors I have changed are a lot. The color corrections I've done, a lot of experiments, so go and have a look at my other videos. I might actually do a hair change compilation if I can dig out all my videos through the year, because I went through my Facebook page, through my Facebook pictures, because I do my Facebook on folders, the photos, 2017, and then when I went through the whole year, oh my god, I was blonde, then I was extra blonde, then I had dark roots, black color, then I had to get rid of these black roots, then I had color correction, oh my god. So anyway, it's a lot of changes I've been through this year, and as you can see my hair is still here, and one of the reasons is because I do take my vitamins. And if you haven't watched my video, go and have a look, because I did how I keep my hair, my nails, my skin healthy video, and what nutritions I take. There is another video of the good to know series. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking now, because I don't want this video to be again long, because apparently my videos are always long. I always try to cut it. I just don't know what happens. It is really difficult for me to shrink it because I have so many things to show you. Anyway, I will see you after I rinse this, and then I'll be back. So this is after I have washed my hair, and I don't know if you can see, but the color came out really nice. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but I'm really pleased with my color and it looks beautiful. And I will show you now. I don't know if my hair is gonna be like, it's gonna be with some lines because I had my hair up for a while. But look at the color. It is so beautiful. It's so even, and I think one of the reasons was because I used the Porosity spray, and I think that helped a lot. So I would suggest to you, if you decide to use any color, try to use Porosity spray so the color gets into your hair more even. And yeah, look at that. I have no lines. I have no and I'm so pleased with the color, guys. I'll just say thank you very much for watching, and my last words are gonna be, this experiment was thumbs up. It was very successful, so I'm not gonna cry, and I don't have to repair my hair, redo my hair again like last accident I had. If you have watched my videos, it was a big disaster. And yeah, please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.